In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse at once in Notion. If you've ever worked in a busy Notion workspace, you know how quickly things can get visually overwhelming. Pages fill up with headings, databases, lists, and detailed content, and before you know it, you're scrolling endlessly just to find what you need. That's where toggles come in. Toggles are a simple but powerful way to hide and reveal content, helping you stay organized and focus only on what matters in the moment. On the screen, you'll see a Notion page that includes a section called Projects and Tasks. Within this section, there are nested items that can be expanded or collapsed. To control what you see, you'll use a small toggle arrow that appears to the left of the content. This arrow is the key to collapsing everything inside that section at once. Move your cursor toward the left side of the item or heading you want to collapse. As you hover over it, look for a small arrow icon. Depending on your current view, this arrow might be pointing down or to the right. When it's pointing down, that means the contents are expanded and fully visible. When it's pointing to the right, that means the contents are hidden or collapsed. To collapse everything inside that area at once, simply click on that toggle arrow. As soon as you click, all of the nested content beneath it will fold up and disappear from view while still being safely stored within the toggle. This is ideal for large task lists, detailed project breakdowns, or long notes that you don't need to see all the time. If you want to see the content again, click the same toggle arrow one more time. It will expand, and everything inside will reappear just as you left it. You can repeat this as often as you like, using toggles to quickly switch between a clean, high-level overview and a detailed, in-depth view. A helpful tip is to structure your pages so that major sections use toggles. That way you can collapse entire groups of tasks or notes with a single click, keeping your workspace tidy and easy to navigate. Over time, this small habit can make your Notion setup feel much more manageable and efficient. And that's all you need to do. Find the toggle arrow, click it to collapse everything at once, and click again to bring it back.